This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. 148 new cases, 3 deaths in Himachal Pradesh. Illegal kiosk raised in Hamirpur. Pickup ban falls into gorge, 10 killed in Sirmaur district. SPCB slammed for inaction on water pollution in Baddi. 7,276 vehicle cross Atal tunnel in 24 hours. No case of Delta Plus variant found in Himachal Pradesh. Congress stages a protest march in Mandi over inflation. BJP executive meet tomorrow, said Trilok Jambal. With 37,566 new cases, India records another drop in daily COVID-19 tally. Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Pakistan accomplice killed in encounter in Srinagar. Now news in detail. 148 new cases, 3 deaths in Himachal Pradesh. As many as 148 COVID cases were reported in the state, taking the tally to 2,01,830. Besides, 3% died of the virus in the past 24 hours. 2 deaths were recorded in Shimla and 1 in Kinnaur. There were 40 cases in Chamba, 23 in Shimla, 17 in Mandi, 15 in Kangra, 10 in Bilaspur, 12 in Hamirpur, 8 in Kullu, 7 in Kinnaur, 6 each in Unna and Sirmaur, and 3 in Solan. The number of active cases declined to 1,691. Illegal kiosk raised in Hamirpur. The PWD raised illegal kiosk built near bus stand yesterday after the High Court dismissed all petition of kiosk owners. This would now pave the way for providing better facility to the people and beautification of commercial complex. The government had constructed a commercial complex about 15 years ago, having over 120 small shops at cost of rupees 3 crore. These shops were to be given to the kiosk owner, but they were not ready to move to the commercial complex and were making lame excuses to remain in the temporary kiosk. Harikesh Meena, the then DC, initiated a move to rehabilitate the kiosk owners, but some of them moved the High Court against the decision. Pickup ban falls into gorge, 10 killed in Sirmaur district. 10 members of a marriage party, including a 12-year-old boy, were killed and 2 injured when a pickup van they were travelling in fell into a 250-foot deep gorge in Shilai subdivision of Sirmaur district on Monday evening. The marriage party was returning from Chareu village to Batedu when the driver lost control of the vehicle near Pashok village and the vehicle plunged into the gorge. Most of the victims were young. Paonta Sahib DSP Bir Bahadur, who rushed to the spot on receiving the information, said the cause of the accident was yet to be ascertained. Local villagers had initiated the rescue with the help of police. SPCB slammed for inaction on water pollution in Baddi. Violation of water pollution are continuing in Baddi, and Mayor's stay of order of closure and assessment of compensation for the past violation does not justify inaction for further violation. Coming down heavily on the State Pollution Control Board SPCB for lack of action and violators of water pollution, the principal bench of the National Green Tribunal made this observation on June 23 in a case pertaining to pollution in Balad River on account of leakage from the Common Affluent Treatment Plant CETP. Merely keeping an eye on unit discharging more than 200 kiloliters per day, KLD affluents is not enough, and violation by those discharging less than 200 KLD affluent is no less serious or less harmful for the environment and public health. 7,276 vehicle cross Atal tunnel in 24 hours. The 9.9 kilometer Atal tunnel at Rohtang on the Manali-Leh highway is witnessing a heavy rush of tourist vehicles moving towards Lahul Spiti and Leh these days. A record of 7,276 vehicles crossed the Atal tunnel in the past 24 hours, as recorded by the police from 8 am on June 27 to 8 am on June 28. As a result, traffic is moving at a snail's pace in the area and commuters are facing inconvenience while moving to Lahore or returning to Manali. No case of Delta variant found in Himachal Pradesh. No case of Delta Plus variant of COVID has been reported in the state. As many as 1,113 samples have sent to the National Center for Disease Control, Delhi, for testing, but the Delta Plus strain has not been detected so far. According to a spokesperson for the State Health Department, 109 samples have shown the presence of UK strains, whereas 8 samples have tested positive for the Kappa strain and 76 for the Delta strain. He said that the second wave of the pandemic had claimed 1,493 more lives compared to the first wave. The number of cases during the first wave was 58,403 compared to 1,43,262 cases till June 27 during the second wave. Overall, there have been 2,475 deaths during the second wave compared to 982 during the first wave. Congress stages protest march in Mandi over inflation. Led by HPCC President Kuldeep Singh Rathore, Congress workers yesterday held a protest march against the state and central governments over the rising prices of food items and petrol and diesel. A large number of Congress workers gathered in front of the Gandhi Bhavan and started the protest march. Portraying unity, senior party leader Kal Singh Thakur, Rangila Ram Rao, Prakash Chaudhary and Sohan Lal shared a common stage to vent out their anger at the BJP. The Congress leaders said that during the BJP regime in the state and at the center, the prices of essential commodities have increased manifold, making the life of common people difficult. BJP executive meet tomorrow, said Trilok Jambal. The BJP state executive meeting will be held on June 30 to chalk out the party strategy for Mission Repeat 2022. BJP State General Secretary Trilok Jambal said the semi-virtual state executive meeting would have 4 sessions. The complete roadmap for the election year 2022 will be discussed on a wider platform, which will give the workers a vision of how to prepare for Mission Repeat 2022, said Jambal. The 4th session will be addressed by party's spokesman. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and State President Suresh Kashyap will join the meeting, beside all 17 organizational districts from the district headquarters. All ministers, MLAs, state office bearers, committee members, district president and mandal president will join in. With 37,566 new cases, India records another drop in daily COVID-19 tally. India on Tuesday reported 37,566 new coronavirus disease infection, while 907 people lost their life in the past 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry and Family Welfare data. The new addition of the country's COVID-19 tally are lower than that reported on Monday, when 46,148 new infections were recorded in the previous 24 hours. The number of fatalities fell in 24 hours since 979 died due to COVID-19 on Monday. Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Pak accomplice killed in encounter in Srinagar. A day after his arrest, top Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Nadeem Abrar and a Pakistani national were killed in an encounter in Parimpora area of the city, police said on Tuesday. Giving details of the incident, a police spokesperson said Abrar, a top commander of Lashkar-e-Taiba involved in many killings, was arrested during checking of vehicles at Parimpora on Monday and put on sustained interrogation. The Lashkar-e-Taiba commander disclosed the location where he had kept his AK-47 rifle in Malura locality, the spokesperson said. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hilkos News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hilkos News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलकुस टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलकुस न्यूज के साथ।
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है। हिमाचल 365 टीवी।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hilkos News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलकुस टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के साथ। राजनीति, सामाजिक सरोकार, खेल, कला, संस्कृति, खेत, बागान, अपराध, सजा, विकास और रोजाना हलचल के साथ हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।